Morning, everybody. To the gym we go. Maddie and I just finished our workout. Ooh. On our way home to shower, and then I'm gonna start filming. I was kind of in a rush this morning because I'm trying to get back on that gym grind, but I'm just gonna do a quick, like, easy get ready with me. This is what I do when I am basically trying to look presentable in my videos, and or if I'm like going out somewhere and I need to wear makeup, etc, etc. We are going to just conceal our fingers because I'm lazy. Let's contour a little. All my makeup's so dirty because something exploded. Contour is done. I'm gonna take this blush. This is like the easiest makeup tutorial or like you'll ever see. We'll take this blush. This is by Nude Sticks, and I like putting it on the apples of my cheeks. And I learned this from Emrata in her Vogue tutorial, but I put a little bit on my nose. Which is by Flesh Cosmetics. They don't have this in Canada yet, but I hope they get it soon. So I take a little bit, and you guys always ask me what highlight I use. A little bit of my nose, tip of my nose, and that is how I get really glowy. This color is in Twitch. So I like to take a little bit, I have to look at the mirror here, but what I like to do is I just kind of fill in the sparse areas, which is pretty much my entire eyebrow. And then I like to make them like straight shaped. And I don't use the brush in the back of this. I like using a separate brush. It's just like this tiny eyebrow brush. Like, I like to bend it a little bit. You just get a little bit more control. We're going to take Boy Brow by Glossier, and we're going to just... What else I like to do is I take a little bit of lip balm. Can't live without your Burt's. Like to put this gloss over. This is a Pat McGrath gloss. This is like the most expensive lip gloss I've ever bought. This is a Blitz Gold. So pretty. And then to seal the deal, we're going in with Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. Just sets the makeup. And that is how I do my makeup, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and let's do this. So this is the DIY I'm filming today. You guys will see more of it, but essentially I'm gonna make these gold and like do that whole like trendy gold shell necklace thing right now for like a fraction of the price. So hopefully this is gonna work. The rabbit may be a bit of a problem. And we're back. So I have to let all that spray paint stuff dry, and then I have to seal it, and then I have to do the narration and all that. It's very important that the stuff dries. So in the meantime, let's do a mini haul. I wasn't expecting to do this in this video, but why not? I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got over the last couple of weeks. So I'm going to be bringing to work on today, and I just want to show you guys a few of like my first impressions and whatnot. I think this is going to be really cool. So this is what we are going to be working on today for some of my vlogging. I'm excited to bring it along with me and show you guys how I'm going to be using it. Ooh, plugs. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is probably the priciest thing, and a lot of you guys have been asking me if I'm going to be doing a video on like vintage designer or like luxury, and I do want to incorporate a little bit of that on my channel, but I'm not sure how you guys would feel about it. So let me know if you guys would be interested in me talking about designer. Like, I'm not like super knowledgeable or anything, but I really do have a passion for it. I bought this vintage. It is an old Fendi pouch. It's very like floppy, like it's not really like meant to be a purse or anything, like it's very like, you know, but the way I've been wearing it is I bought this little purse organizer on Amazon, and these are like so great for not just bags like this, but bags like a tote or anything like that, where it's just kind of a bottomless pit. And then the next thing is a huge contrast because this is vintage. You guys, this is thrifted, so this was $6, but it is just this shirt dress. It's leopard, and I got this in the pajama section, but I thought that this would be really nice, fun, and trendy. And then the next two things I got are from XLE, the label. So I've been watching Lauren Elizabeth since she was Lolu Fully Loaded. So that was like a really long time ago. I got 2 pieces from her line and I just like love her style. I just think it's really cool. So Sarah and I, we did like a bulk order together so that way shipping wouldn't cost too much. And the first thing I got is this little eyelash lace top. I really do like it. I think it'll be a really nice layering piece, even with something like this. Like, can you see that? That's so XLE. The next thing I got, I actually wore this to Bufferfest last weekend. There was like a gala event where you had to be a little bit dressier, so I opted for this dress. And I believe this is called the Stella dress. And I just really like that. I just think it's really, really cool. Really pretty. And it has an asymmetrical eyelash lace hem. And then the next thing I have here, it has like some of my like tanning stuff on it. But these are pants from COS. I got so many compliments on these last night. They're the perfect Thanksgiving pants because there's obviously a lot of room because they're stretchy. They were originally $115 Canadian, and then with half of that they ended up being like 60 bucks. So pretty good deal for COS. So if you guys have caught Sarah's video, you would know that we went to the vintage show. It just holds at the CNE every year, and I've never actually been, but I've been really, really interested in going. So guys, I got something really cool. Okay, are you guys ready? It is a pair of Gucci loafers. I have an insole in here right now, just because they are just a little bit slightly big on me with the insole. They're perfect. So I got a pair of authentic Gucci loafers. They are brown and a little bit different than my other pair. And I just find these like super, super 70s. I can imagine myself wearing these with little trousers, plaid, you name it. I think these would be so fun for fall. And I got them for $100, which like in the vintage designer world, that is like a steal. So I cannot believe that she gave them to me for 100 bucks. They are made in Italy, Gucci gang. Okay, so that is my mini haul, guys. We are going to move along. Let's get on with the day. My go-to. Okay, so guys, I've been working on this for a little bit of time since I got here, and it's been a time. So one thing I really like about it is how thin it is. It's like super thin, it's super light, you can lift it with one hand. You guys know that you're not really supposed to do that with your laptops, but I do. And then the next thing I also really love about it, guys, has fingerprint technology here, so you're able to log in and it's like really secure, and I'm always like really paranoid about stuff like that, so it makes for a very, very secure laptop, especially when you're logging into coffee shops like I do, and I'm always hooking up to different Wi-Fi. But yeah, overall, guys, first impressions, I think this is a pretty cool tool to have, and if you're looking into a laptop, I will link MSI in the description box below because it's a pretty neat little tool. There's an SD card reader, all of the regular slots here, as well as all of the plugins here. The battery life lasts 10 hours, and for those of you like me who never have their plug on it, that's a really good thing as well, especially if you work remotely and you may not always have access to a plug nearby, because you guys know the table near the plug is hot real estate. So pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna keep working and then we are going to head out after. Finished working for the day, and before I go home, I'm actually going to get a quick fill. I do gel acrylic nails because I have a bad habit of nail biting, so I gotta get that done, and if I don't get them done, then I start start biting again. It's really, really bad. So I'm gonna get that done now before I head home. So guys, that is the end of this video. I just wanted to film a quick outro before I go. I hope you guys liked this kind of like morning to night, like follow me around. And also a big thank you to MSI again for sponsoring this video. I think it's pretty cool that they are reaching out to a woman like me who are just starting businesses or maybe getting like their first like real job. Like a really great concept, and great technology can be used for more than gaming. There are so many other possibilities. So thank you again to MSI. I'll have all their info in the description box below. But without further ado, guys, I'm gonna peace out, head to bed. It's been a long day, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.